YouTube. I'm in a boiler room that was installed in 1914. This used to be called the Empire State Dairy. I'm in a part of a building where nobody ever comes. Showing off this boiler room, which the lighting is very poor. This boiler is as big as a house. There's a smoke box on the top. Another smoke box. Here's the front. Trying to get a date on this. There's an old steam pump. From days of yesteryear. A real amazing piece of equipment. At one time, this was classified state of the art. It's all copper. Well, there you have it. This is called the Heinz boiler. H-E-I-N-E. Boiler. Kind of blown up. Okay. Thanks for watching.